Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Badhmashree Vivek sir. A lot of you might know what happened to him 3 days before. 3 days before he unfortunately passed away in a cardiac attack, and the whole state was in a shock. Because he is a great man who put a lot of efforts towards the betterment of this society. And if you don't know about him, he is a legendary comedian in Tamil industry and who has a class in his comedies. Each and every of his comedy will have a social message and which helps to the betterment of the society. He has a vision to plant 1 crore trees by under his own supervision, but he has not achieved it. But if you think, if you do something, you can get his dream done. It is easy. Friends, if you are a person who's just having a piece of a square foot of land, just go and plant a tree over there. It will be a great thing to just get his dream done. I have done it, and friends, if you have already done it, it will be great to know. So just drop it down below in comments. I'll be so happy to see that and give a reply for that. And then friends, as I said, he's a great man and I just want to show my respect towards him. So today I'm drawing him. Now if you have a question, you might have a question, why you didn't draw him on that day itself? Actually, I had some time to draw him on that day itself. Instead of drawing him, I made another tutorial video on that day. Because friends, I have a thought in my mind that I should not use a day which is a sad day for someone to draw the thing or the person to push my videos over in someone's homepage. I don't want to be that kind of person. I think like that, but a lot of people are saying it's not a wrong thing. We are just showing our respect. Some people will think like that, but don't worry about that. But what should I do? I don't know about that. So please drop your thoughts about this down below in comments so that I can make videos according to that. Then friends, I hope you like my drawing, and usually I'll say enjoy this video, but I don't know what to say here heavy-heartedly. So I just completed drawing, my friends. Here is it. The great man is on my paper, and I hope you like it. And I'm just going to sign it and keep it with me forever. So here's the drawing, my friends. I hope you like it, and if you like this video and if you like this drawing and this great man, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and support me. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa. Bye.